Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. So I'm super excited because finally the IKEA KALLAX units have just arrived about half an hour ago. And I've just managed to get them from the house down into the cabin, which was a task in itself. But yeah, let me just give you a quick look. And there they are, ready. I don't know whether I will end up building them today or tomorrow because it again is going to be extremely hot here in the UK. Honestly, it is just horrible. I hate it. It is just way too hot. But anyway, I thought I'd just quickly pop on and say that they are here and they're ready to be built, and then that's when the exciting bit starts to happen. So yeah, I'm also full of hay fever as well, which is really also knocking me for six. But yeah, I really want to try and get this done now because, as you can see, I've got all this stuff on the big desk. I have ordered some organisation bits and pieces from Amazon while it's Prime Day again, and I've also picked up these dividers which will go on the KALLAX. I was really impressed with these, so I ordered another pack which will be here today. And I've also grabbed some Western boxes as well for paper collection, so that's really exciting to get all those organised. But yeah, I just thought I'd pop on and say that they are here, they're ready, and they're just waiting for me to unbox and build, which will be, as I say, the exciting bit. And the big question, of course, is will they actually fit? But yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafty videos and updates on this little makeover, organisation, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so stay tuned for part 5, which of course will be whether they will actually fit and they're built and ready. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.